All 2180 for out west 83.
2182.
He's driving.
What's up, officer? What's going on?
What's up?
What you doing?
What is going on?
Come on, you gonna buck me? I'm chilling. What's up? I'm chilling. What's up? I'm chilling. Come on, I'm doing that. Look at me, I'm doing that. What's up? Come on, man. You resisting. Y'all wildin'. Come on, y'all wildin'. I ain't doing shit now. Come on. Y'all wildin'. What I did?
Everyone, you didn't want to stop.
Hey.
What you mean? I got put up in the same spot. Okay. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Good.
You have a medical marijuana card, sir? No. You smoking?
Yeah, 240. You're going to voicemail now, too. I'll put it in that.
No.
Yeah, boy.
How's it going, gentlemen?
Do you smoke hemp?
Put your foot on the ground. Smoke hemp or no?
What's up?
Is that something he has, or is that you? That sound?
I don't know.
I heard a little buzzing sound. Thought it was coming from him or you.
You have an alarm or something on you? Huh?
You have an alarm or something on you?
No.
You know, like 360. 1097 on the 4 Charlie 1.
You got everything in the car.
Alright, give me your shoe. I'm a law-abiding citizen. You know?
Well, right now, you might be
You're
going to jail.
For what?
We'll talk to you about that in a second.
Okay. I'm in jail? I got a valid driver's license. I don't think I committed no crimes.
Sure you don't.
You good for a second?
Yeah. Ellen cute.
You got decal right?
Yeah.
You probably heard it wrong since he was on the phone.
Pepper's asked him a second time, but I'll verify with him first.
I mean, there's shake all in the right here.
That makes this spot safer for you than I mean, I hit the lights and I didn't want to put them in the road. That's dangerously long. I didn't want to put them in a well-lit area. Get y'all out of traffic. I ain't stupid.
So, do you think that making a safe spot for us is something that you're authorized to do?
I mean, I ain't think that require authorization. I'm trying to be safe just like y'all. I ain't posing a threat. I seen y'all something.
Wait, so are you trying to be safe? You're trying to find a safe spot for you or for me?
For both of us.
No, you don't get to do that.
Okay, that's understandable.
You can make a claim that you're trying to make a safe spot for you. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
All right. Why is this spot safe for you?
It's a well-lit area. I mean, it's not even in the middle of the road.
You see all those street lights down there?
I understand what you're saying,
So
but
why is this spot more well lit than down there?
I mean, what was so detrimental between me stopping right there and stopping right here?
Well, actually, I'd like to ask you that. Why did you keep driving?
I just told you that. I just told you that. Why would I
There's a
want
lot
to
of
stop
moving around in that car.
You just looked in it.
There's a lot of moving around whenever I have my lights
I
on.
rolled the windows down, put my driver's license, my registration out the window. That's the shit y'all supposed to ask when y'all first pull somebody over, right? Y'all ain't do none of that. Come on, I'm not supposed to stop a law-abiding citizen.
Sure, no. Don't get all fucking loud with me. They ain't gonna change nothing.
Hey, I'm just talking. I'm having a conversation with you, right?
No, you're trying to talk over me. You're trying to set up a defense for yourself. Because what you did is called fail to obey. It's a fleeing charge and it's a felony 3.
Okay.
If you'd like to go to jail on a felony charge, I'm good with it.
I'm not.
All right. Well, then quit trying to talk your way out of this and just talk to me and actually tell the truth. Because I'm not stupid. Okay? I know you're trying to play me. Okay. So why didn't you stop?
I just told you why I didn't stop.
Because you think you're smarter than everyone.
Look at what you just did to me. You just snatched me out my car. I rode the one down and gave my license, my registration. You ain't read me no right. You snatched me out of the car.
Damn right I did. Why did I do that? Why?
I don't know. I had the slightest idea.
How about because?
Run my name.
For 300 yards, I had my lights. How many different sirens did I turn on?
Listen, I'm a black man in
I'm asking you a question.
I am terrified of the police.
Mr. Black Man, I'm asking you a question. How many different sirens did I turn on? How many times did I lay on my horn?
I have this, like, when you said pull over, I pulled over. You said throw the keys out of the car, I complied.
No, when I said pull over, it was back there when I turned my lights and sirens on. Get in the car.
Man, you know the more
Get in the car. Shut your mouth.
77 for the car. You got something about the hemp or whatever?
Yeah, we can search it.
Okay. Yeah, we're good. I thought he had like a clip right here on his belt line, like looking like inside the waistband. And I thought maybe that's what you had seen. $2 bill. All this stuff down here is pretty tight though.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah. You're looking at the back seat and everything? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Huh? What? 'Cause that's the hood, right?
Those keys?
Oh. What?
The buttons are coming on.
Oh. Good? Yeah, they work. There's a gun right there.
Where?
Right there. I don't know if you could put it back there from.
Can you open
Does
that?
the back seat open up thing? You know what I mean?
Absolutely, he could have.
Oh yeah.
He absolutely could have. But I think. Grab right here. Easily. And look where it is, right in the front.
Yeah. Well. See if he's a convicted felon.
I'll go run him for that.
Yeah.
I would do a nationwide.
Yeah.
Because You want to run it or what?
Yeah, let me get grab some. That is? Yeah. It's on road. In a holster. In the trunk. But like...
Was he rich?
Like it got placed there from the front.
Was he rich around in the back there? So I mean, the seat goes down very
He could have easily have reached over, pulled the seat down, and put it where it is.
It is bullshit. Not getting high-speed gear again.
What happened with that?
Freaking screw popped out.
Too high speed, dude.
Was the seat pushed down like that?
No, we opened it to see if you could. And you could, so.